Hello and welcome to a new video on the channel, and as you can see, flat cap is on. It's unusually hot for September, so we must be at the Goodwood Revival. So hoping to bring you a series of videos from this fantastic event. First up, we've got the anniversary of Lotus, so there's a procession on track of lots of the different historic Formula 1 cars and through to some of the racing road cars. So let's take a look at that and we'll have a look around the paddock. Hopefully more videos as well throughout the weekend, so let's see how we go. Okay, let's take a look along the line. We've got the 1973 Tyrrell Cosworth 006, which will be taking part in the Sir Jackie Stewart celebration, Jackie Stewart's car. We've got the 1962 Lotus Climax 21/24, 1963 Lotus BRM 24, she'll be taking part in the Glover Trophy and 75 years of the Lotus Parade as well. 1962 Lotus BRM 24. This is cool, a really early Lotus, 1948 Lotus Mk1. So it's Austin 7 based, and it's the replica of the first car Colin Chapman built. Pretty cool, lovely to see Lotus reviving some of its history. We've got 1949 Lotus Mark II, obviously the next one along. This one looks a little bit more beaten, so I would imagine this is an original. Very cool. 1951 Lotus Mark III, we can see the progression here of these kind of sprint and hill climb type vehicles. And we've got the 1956 Lotus 11 S1. 1971 Lotus Pratt & Whitney 56B, undergoing a little bit of work. 1973 Lotus Cosworth 72 for the Lotus 75 years of Lotus Parade. 1975 Lotus Cosworth 77. 1979 Lotus Cosworth 79. Pretty cool in all these John Player special liveries. And we got the Lotus Cosworth 88B. Nigel Mansell's Lotus John Player special.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, it's like home. Fantastic. Yeah, it's just great. You did bring your own deck. Oh, you have?
No, we haven't.
Oh, you haven't?
No, we're not.
Oh.
Well, then, we're just thinking it's gone, then just showing off their elementary.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so this is the 75th anniversary parade of everything Lotus. Nigel Mansell's car. Nice 1964 Lotus 430. Nice 1965 Lotus 430 again. These are in the Whitsun Trophy and 75 years of Lotus parade that's coming up. Yeah, we're going to go and get a vantage point so we can see the Lotus parade in a bit. This is a 1959 Lotus Climax 15 and a 58 Lotus Climax 15 as well. Very nice. Let's have a look inside. The Elan that everybody loves, not the M100. Wah, wah, wah. And looks like this is fresh from the quail. It's Jenson Button's Lotus Evija. Yeah, or whether they brought it back. He's here today. He travels with him, maybe. Here we go. Here's Jenson Button's Evija. A lot of the references to the brawn team. Got his 22 number on the side. And in the middle of the seats, it's got all his race wins. Actually written in the text, you can't see it from here. Pretty cool. Okay, what else we got? Okay, for the Electra. Okay, here comes the Lotus Parade lap. 75 years of Lotus. Makes the suspension so stiff, they created a double chassis where the downforce don't mind it. Stiff suspension. The driver was in a separate chassis effectively to give him a bit of so this
That's a recreation of the first trials car that Colin Chapman had created. And I was talking to Clive earlier, and he said it's, you know, they've just got it done in time. Notice how it's got 2 spare wheels in the boot. Issue there, that's a shame. That's
That's about it for this video, but we're hoping to bring you a few more videos from this exciting weekend. So anyway, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you get a chance, and hit the notification bell. It lets me know that you're enjoying the videos, and leave a comment as well. Let me know if I've got some of the names of the cars wrong. Thanks again, and bye for now.